Alright guys, so there's date and time on a Garmin Fire 620. And in this video, we're going to ride this elevator right here and this elevator over here at 275 North York in Elmhurst, Illinois. First, we're going to start off by riding this elevator. We got some copyrighted music, so hopefully we talk over that. Darkless seems to work, or at least I pushed it at the right time. Seems to run okay except for the minor banking noises that it has. So here we're at the floor. Now let's head down to the ground. And there's copyrighted music playing up here as well. Actually, I think the door close might work in this one because it seemed to close right after I constantly pressed door close. So anyways, here's our cab view. This elevator. It's pretty nice for an office building. There's the indicator right there. Your fixtures, and there's your stick of inspection down there, and your phone, which is up right there. So here we are back down at the ground level. Ring the bell. Now we're going to let it go. There's Big Brother watching us. So now let's transfer to the other elevator and see how that one runs. Or this one runs. And I think, actually, does this one have an opposite door? No, it doesn't. Never mind, the door opens up the same way as the other one. I thought the door opened from right to left on the other one, but no. The doors open the same way. So now let's head to 4 on this elevator. I didn't even expect there to be 2. I wonder why they would need 2 for a 4-story office building, but I guess it would make sense though in case the building breaks down. And there also seem to be some medical clinics here, as well as some other tenants, so I guess it would be convenient to have if one of them broke down. So anyways, here are 4. Some seems to rattle a little bit just like the other one. So here are 4. Now let's head down to the ground. And hope we don't get copyrighted by that music. So now you're your cab view. It's pretty identical to the other one with the same cabs and carpet. There's the indicator right there. Fire for operations. Here are your buttons. Here's your phone. There's your certificate of inspection. So now let's ring the bell. So anyways, there the elevator goes. And there's another Big Brother that's watching you. And we got time. And there's copyrighted music, so you know what that means? The talkie over the music. Anyways, here's your director if you want to pause to read. And yeah, so there's that. For your fire alarm fans, you got classic fire alarm horn strobe and some radionics. For our pole station, which looks similar to a Potter. Here's some pictures of what the post office glass building used to look like, or the Fifth Third Bank building. Which was actually the Elmhurst State Bank back in 1904. The building shown in this photo was known as the Gloss Block, and during that time, both the bank and the post office were located in the same building. The Fifth Third Bank, on the other hand, occupies the newer building that was constructed in 1927 after the older building was demolished earlier that year. That building still stands today. So yeah, it's something really nice thing about this lobby is like it got like photos of like. This one's the Western Great Chicago Great Western Railway Station. So you probably want to look at that. And there's Wilder Park in the winter from 1941. But this lobby is full of black and white photos from the 20th century when Elmhurst was around. Here's Wilder Park, which looks really nice. And I'm not going to go that much into detail, but here's some other photos. Ooh, that's not good. Apparently Chicago Great Western Railway train crashed into there.
It must have been a terrifying day for the engineers and conductors working on that train. Apparently, the Chicago and Great Western Railway was one of the railroad companies that provided both passenger and freight service to and from Chicago, Minneapolis, Omaha, and Kansas City back in the 1900s when this photo was taken. During that time, Chicago and Great Western trains heading eastbound towards Chicago or westbound towards these other Midwestern cities used the present-day Union Pacific West Line until 1964 when it merged with the Chicago and Northwestern Railway.
So yeah, there's some more photos on that wall, as well as on this wall. There's what the movie theater used to look like. It's got those like Ford Model Ts, which at least I think those are Ford Model Ts. They used to be common a lot. There's the old Walgreens store. There's a photo of like the Elmhurst Post Office building. There's now a Fifth Third Bank building. Some other building right here, which is another shot of the Fifth Third Bank building. Well, it's really cool to see what Elmhurst used to look like back in like the 30s and 40s. But yeah, there's what it looks like. And in here, got some more cool photos here. Here's a quarry. Oh yeah, they used to have a quarry. And then here is York High School. That's what it used to look like back then. That's pretty cool. Next, let me activate the automatic doors. So yeah. Anyways, for my friends, let's got a Bosch pull station. So for my friends, there you go. And before we get copyrighted by music, we're gonna stop the video. I'll first show you this. An aerial view of York High School. Doesn't that look sick or what? Anyways, that's it.